Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Sips Buy box for July. This is a monthly subscription. Get a product card and at least 4 different types of tea. So let's take a look. So first we did get some little reusable satchels that you can put your loose leaf tea in, which I really like in case you don't have a strainer or don't like using them. And let's go here first. We have chai tea. This is instant tea. That's kind of cool. So there's 4 of those. Just dump them in a bottle of water, shake it up, and go. Then we have Peachy Keen Tiesta tea. I like the name of that. That's cute. So Peachy Keen has white tea, papaya bits, moringa leaves, rose buds, and natural flavors. And this one has a low caffeine level. And the steeping instructions on the back. Ooh, blueberry matcha tea. I've never had blueberry. I did just get some matcha tea. I think it was this brand in one of my daily goodie boxes. Have not tried it yet, but I will very soon. But that looks good. So there's 4 of those. And those are already in little bags. And then the last one, Choice Organics Tea. Reishi? I probably am not saying that right. Detox tea, a cleansing blend of mushrooms and herbs, and it's caffeine free. Interesting. Then there's a promo code for the instant tea. So you can repurchase that online. Looks like they have different flavors. And then here's the card. I love this card. It gives all the caffeine information, steeping times, anything that may or may not have been on the package of tea itself. So that's really helpful. So if you guys would like to sign up, I have a promo code below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.